Hey, this is Rene. Welcome back to another video on this channel. And today I want to share my experience with a range breakout strategy that I trade live in a real money account for the last 5 years, and which is giving me the biggest profits of all the strategies that I am trading in this live account. So first of all, I want to show you how the strategy works. Like exactly, I do not want to hide anything like many other people do. I will show you exactly what you have to do to get the exactly same results as I get, or even better results if you optimize this strategy even more. Then I want to show you how you can get this strategy. And again, I do not hide anything. I do not hold anything back. You can use this like 100%. And in the end, I want to show you that this is no scam, and this is indeed real money performance. And I will show you exactly the account where it is traded and the results from the trading of the last 5 years in this live trading account. So to start off, I want to demonstrate this strategy, and therefore I set up the MT5 tester. So you can see here I selected this range breakout strategy or range breakout system expert advisor, which is a fully automated program that I wrote to trade this strategy every single day without the need to sit in front of the PC and execute it, because the strategy trades in the real morning hours where I usually like to sleep and do not sit in front of the PC. So we test this in the every tick mode, and first of all, I will demonstrate this in the US dollar Japanese yen market. And once the test is loaded, I will show you exactly how it is done, how it is traded. So this strategy basically trades a range which is defined by a specific or in a specific time. So what you can see here is this strategy tester now simulates the ticks from the history, and you can see that at 2 a.m. in the morning on the server, we will start building a range, and you can see this, and there is this blue background, and this range is built until we hit the 3:30 in the morning. So this is pretty much in the Asian session. So we are building this range, and you can see, if I zoom in a little bit more, that we want the high and the low in this specific range. So you can see there we start at 2 o'clock in the morning, then we see the lowest point here at 2:04. So this will be the lowest point of our range, and then we have the highest point at this in this candle. So we have the highest point of the range, and then at 3:30 this range is then finished. Whoops, and the strategy tester is still loading. This is why there is this little problem here. It is loading several or different prices, so different symbols to get you the perfect backtesting experience, and this is why it may take a while if you start a new backtest in the visual mode. But it will be back in a second. So let me talk about this strategy. So once the range is finished, as you can see here at 3:30 or 3:28, I think the strategy tester is missing 1 or 2 candles there. But you can see that it is then finished, and after the range is finished, we will place a buy stop at the top of this range, or at the upper border here, and a sell stop at the lower border. And you can see this sell stop is then executed. So we start this sell trade here. As soon as it is as the order is executed, the stop loss for this sell order will be at the opposite side of the range, and there is no take profit. So you can see there is no take profit, and you can also see it here. So we trade this trade until the end of the day pretty much. And this is what this strategy is about. Like, the idea is that the general direction for this trading day is defined in the first trading hours. And this is working really great, which we will see if we make a longer backtest. But first of all, let's have a look at this trade here. So you can, whoa, this was a little bit fast. So you can see, yeah, we just do nothing after all. So we just wait until 1955. So at this point in time, like in the evening at 1955, we then close all the trades and all the open orders. So the buy stop is gone, the executed sell order is gone, and we take the profit and we do nothing else for the complete day. And the next day we will do exactly the same. And this is it. This is like the beauty of this simple strategy. And the next day, again, let me zoom in a little bit. Again, we have this range here, so you can see it starts at 2 o'clock. We have the highest point of the range, we have the lowest point of the range, and then if we move on just a little bit more, we can see here at 3:30, the range is finished. We place the orders, the buy stop, the sell stop order. We just wait for an execution, and this time the buy order was executed with a really big spread. So the price didn't even hit the level here. Yeah, this was unfortunate, but this happens. And because of the big spread, the buy order was executed and hit the SL. And then the sell order was executed also. And yeah, you can see once the buy order was closed, we do not place another buy stop. So we only trade both directions maximum of one time. So we only have one buy and one sell trade at max for every single day. And then we just check if one of these trades works out and generates profits. In this case, it was the sell order again. And then at 1955, at the end of the day, again, we stop trading for this day. So here you can see the buy order was executed again. Then the sell order was executed. Both hit the SL level, so we do not trade anymore for the day. The next day, exactly the same procedure. The buy order is executed. The market is going up all the way, and we should see a nice profit here. Okay, there it is closed, and we see another profit. And this is all about the strategy. There's nothing more to say. So I do not want to show you like the complete 10 years that I want to backtest in the visual mode, but I can disable the visual mode and we can do the exactly same backtest for a complete period of 10 years. So you can see here I selected a custom period for this backtest starting in January 2012 and until the current day, which is in year 2020, the 14th, or we can even say the 20th of August. So this is roughly 10 years that I will backtest now with this strategy with the exact same inputs. So from 2 o'clock until 3:30 and we close at 1955. And yeah, this is pretty much the complete strategy. So there's no trading stop, there's no take profit. We just wait until the trades are executed, then we wait until the SL is reached, or if we close the trade at 1955 in the evening. So I will just wait until this backtest is finished now. You can see it, or I can make this a little bit bigger. So you can see it here in the graph, like how the graph is built and how this strategy would have worked in the past 10 years. And after we had a look at this backtest, we will have a look at the real live trading performance with real money. So you can see that this is no strategy that only works in the tester, but it also works in a live trading scenario. So you can really trust it. This is no scam. This is really working. So let's wait until the backtest is loaded and finished here. Okay, so here you can see the test is now finished. You can see the graph, and I can also show you like the backtesting results. And yeah, I will not go into detail here and explain everything. I mean, you can do your own testing with this program if you want. You can test it in the euro, US dollar, or any other market. And yeah, before we will have a look at the live trading performance, I want to tell you that I told you in the beginning that you can use this program, and this is why I prepared why I opened the website here already. It is en.bmtrading.de. It is also linked below this video, and there you will find the MT5 Masterclass, which is a complete course where I show MetaTrader 5 programming. And if you scroll down to the second video, you will see a list with the complete content of this course. And in this course, you will learn how to write this exact program, this range breakout trading expert advisor that you can use to trade in US dollar, Japanese yen, euro, US dollar, or any other market you like. So I do not hold back anything. You will learn this, and besides this expert advisor, you will learn a lot of other useful skills that you can then use to write pretty much every strategy you want to automate in MetaTrader 5, and then you can do your own back testing. So let's go back to the last point on the to-do list for this video. So, I have this live trading account. It is not a big account, but it doesn't really matter because it is a live trading account, and it is like a real world scenario, right? So I do not only want to show you some sneaky backtest, which everyone can fake. I want to show you like the real live trading performance. So in the upper left corner, you can see this is a live account. And here you can see in euro, US dollar, and US dollar, Japanese yen, I am using this program right now, which is the range breakout expert advisor. And here you can see like the exact same times from 2 to 3:30, and we close at 19:55 in US dollar, Japanese yen. For euro, US dollar, I have slightly different times because obviously it's another market. So I use other times for this. And I also prepared the Trade Buddy trading journal tool, which you can, by the way, also download for free on the website I showed you before. So definitely check out the website. And here you can see I am able to filter all the trades in this account. So in this account, you can see there are other strategies trading. So you can see this account here. It started in at the end of 2017, and it is running until now. So it's roughly running for 5 years. So 5 years of live trading performance. And you can see in this second column, there's the strategy, and you can see there's not only the ORB, which is open range breakout. There are also other strategies, but I can filter it. So we can only see this ORB. So if I filter this, you will now only see the performance from this strategy here in euro, US dollar, and US dollar, Japanese yen. And you can see if I go to, for example, US dollar, Japanese yen, for the past 5 years, we see this performance. And this is exactly what you see, or not exactly, but it is like nearly 100% what we can see here in the strategy testing result. So if you compare these graphs here, you can see this like really similar for the if I make it like this, you can see for the past 5 years the results from the live trading, they pretty much mirror the results from the tester. So you can pretty much trust the testing result here. And yeah, you can see this was really profitable. And also in euro, US dollar, it was profitable. It made a nice profit. Of course, in the last month, it wasn't that good, but still there was overall a nice profit in euro, US dollar. And if we combine these two markets over the last 5 years, I made a total profit of nearly 700 euro, which is, of course, in this like really small account, right? With a really small lot size. So there's not a lot risk involved. If you see the graphic here, like this is not like a huge and really risky program after all. You can see a lot of programs in the web that are completely destroying your account or completely pushing it to new highs. But this is a moderate trading approach, and you can see, for example, the biggest drawdown here was about 200 euro, and overall we have 600 euros in profit in this 1,200 euro account. So if you would start with a 10,000 euro account, you could choose a higher lot size and of course generate higher profits. But after all, of all these strategies in this live trading account, this strategy has proven to be the best over the last 5 years of live trading. So I wanted to summarize it to you and show it to you. And again, check out the link below this video if you want to use this strategy too, or if you want to learn, simply want to learn how to write your own strategies in MetaTrader 5, because you can automate any strategy and backtest it for 5 or 10 years, however you like it in MetaTrader 5. And this is such a great benefit for your trading. So after all, let me know what you think about this strategy below in the comment section, and I hope you liked this video. And as always, I wish you all the best, good trades, and we'll see each other in the next video. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.